The flippers of penguins and dolphins are the examples of option A, convergent evolution. Now, convergent evolution occurs when unrelated species evolve similar traits independently to adapt to similar environmental conditions or challenges, resulting in analogous structures. So, the flippers of penguins, that is birds, and dolphins, that is mammals, are examples of analogous structures because both have evolved flippers for efficient swimming in aquatic habitats, but their evolutionary origins are different. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, divergent evolution. This is incorrect because divergent evolution involves species evolving from a common ancestor to adapt to different environments, resulting in homologous structures. But this is not the case here. Option C, adaptive radiation. This is also incorrect because it refers to a single species diversifying into multiple forms to adapt to different ecological niches, like Darwin finches. But penguins and dolphins are totally different animals. Penguins are birds and dolphins are mammals. Option D, natural selection. This is also incorrect because natural selection drives the process of convergent evolution, but it is not specific enough to explain the similarity of flippers as analogous structures directly.